Hi, hello. I'm Dr. K. Pungode, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce. Now we are going to discuss about the special types of customer over here. In the above slide, we have discussed about who is a banker and the customer and what are the relationship between the banker and customer. So now we are going to discuss about the special types of customer. Who are all the special types of customer in the bank? Once again, we are telling that banking is an activity which involves accepting the deposit and rendering a services, and whenever the deposit is amount is needed by their customer, they are repaying their amount. So that is a banking. The next thing is special types of customer. We are having, there is in above slide we have seen about the relationship between. Now we are going to see about the special types of customer. Under Indian Contract Act 1872, the following person cannot enter into a contract that they are incompetent to enter into a valid contract. Like that, any person can become any person who is willing to open an account with the bank has to fill the prescribed form available from the bank. He has to give a letter or a letter of introduction to the banker. So in this special types of customer, we are having a different special types of customer. The person who have a right to open an account, but they are having a certain legal restriction has to be operations has to be followed in the bank. So that type of person is known as a special types of banking customer. So that is a special type of bankers over here. The first thing is that we are having a different forms of a customer over here, and each and every customer is valuable to each and every persons, and they have to satisfy the wants and needs of a customer. According to that, they are providing a different activities and different orientation over here. The first type of banker is that minor. One is a special type of banker, that is a minor. A minor below 18 years of age or cannot legally enter into a contract, but bank can allow open and saving account jointly with the guardian, or in case of some independently with restrictions. So overdraft and loan are not permitted for a minor. So first one is minor. The second one is literate. In this illiterate persons, they can operate or open an account but cannot make a sign over here. The transactions are done with the thumb impression in the presence of a witness. So that is known as illiterate. The passbooks and the checks usage are restricted for safety purpose. So these are all the importance of that special types of customers, and we are providing a certain rules and regulations for that special types of customers. The next one is lunatics. In this, lunatic means a person who is mentally disturbed or an unsound mind person. We are known as lunatics. Here, the banks generally avoid opening an account for them. If requires, accounts can be operated only by a legal guardian or court appointed representative in a guardian or in a space of that lunatic person. So next thing is partnership account. In this partnership account, accounts opened in a firm's name. Operations depends upon the partnership deed. All partners or authorized partner can sign. Only on dissolvency, the bank must freeze the account over here. So these are all the ones. It is also one of the special type of account holder in a bank. The next thing is joint stock companies. In this joint stock company, account opened as a company name, operated by an authorized director, and a board of resolution is required to open and operate an account. For each and every purpose, the account opening a person can have a witness over here, and they have to follow strictly the rules and regulations given by the bank. According to that only, they can open their account in this special types of customer. They are having some certain legal construction over here, so only we are telling it as in special types of customers. The next thing is joint stock holder. Here, two or more individual holders can have an one account that operates depends upon the instruction either by both jointly or by any one of it. It must be in mutual conversation over here, and we have to instruct them with the proper resolution by the bank too. Next one is that these are all. The next is a trust. Here, the trustee or a trust who has an open name of a trustee and operated by a trustee according to their trust deed. So these are all the different things. Another one is a married woman. Married woman is a person who is having a full authority after getting a married of her partner. So that is a married woman. Here once again and consolidated that we are having a different types of special types of customer over here. It includes minor, illiterates, lunatic, partnership, joint stock company, joint stock holders, trustees and executors over here, and married women. So these are all the different and special types of customer in the bank. I hope you all understand about the special types of customer over here. Thank you.